What up guys, welcome to Hord Inc Studios, and today we're going to be looking at multi-channel in DaVinci Resolve Fairlight page. The first step in preparing dialogue clips for editing is to evaluate the existing tracks to determine if the audio clips and tracks have the correct channel mapping and microphone channel exposed. Basically, you need to look at the tracks and clips to make sure that they have matching channels. If not, we'll fix them. Sometimes dialogue can either be mono or stereo, to mention the few, and using the wrong channel can hinder the audio on the output. Here is an example. We have stereo musical instrument and mono track channel. Playing this, you can tell that something is not right. You may need headphones to hear this. In Fairlight page, we can see each channel audio type by just looking at the top of each channel. 1.0 is mono, 2.0 is stereo, and if we had 5.1, you'd see it right here too. Looking at audio clips, track A2, the clips are mono but put into a stereo track. Also, when we play the audio, we can hear and see the audio plays in one speaker.
You are in orbit of planet Q-465b.
Although this discrepancy might not seem like a big deal, it can later become an issue when you edit, panning, and mixing your audio tracks. Let's change track A2 to mono. Play again to hear the difference.
Wait, where am I?
You are in orbit of planet Q-465b.
And that got it fixed.
Plot a course to put me next to him.
The Lime clip definitely has different sound quality. Perhaps another microphone source channel is embedded in the clip. To see this, we can open clip attributes. The clip is 7.1 channel. We can select the best audio from this by setting the audio format to mono and selecting the audio we want to be played. From the looks of things, this audio was mapped wrong. There's only 3 audio available in the clip attributes. Let's make a new timeline from this clip to better understand this. We only have audios on 4, 5, 6, and the rest are empty. With DaVinci Resolve, you can quickly convert any multi-channel track to a linked mono tracks via the right-click shortcut menu on the track and not a clip. Once converted, you will get linked mono clips in separate mono tracks that are linked as a group. Linked clips act as a single clip for editing, trimming, moving them in the timeline. Selecting one linked clip selects them all. Plus, you always recognize linked clip at a glance because they show a linked badge at the lower left corner of each clip. One exception to linked groups: you cannot solo, mute, or arm each track separately. To do so, you just need to unlink this group by going to Fairlight, Link Group, select the link tracks icon, and click Unlink button.
Plot a course to put me next to him.
Select A1 track and swipe down to select all of these tracks. Right-click and choose Remove Attributes, Pan, and Apply. Now we need to delete the audios that are empty. You can right-click all the tracks, choose Link Clips, or you can select the link icon from the top bar. Going back to 7.1 is easy as well. Right-click the track A1 and choose 7.1 and change the clip attributes to 7.1. But since we know it's only 4 audios that are audible, we will use Adaptive 4 to remap these audios. Right click and find in media pool, choose clip attributes and adjust. Fun fact, you can add as much variation of audio format, and if you want to remove, it's also possible. If you made it this far, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. See you later, alligators.